Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a Costco card to Instacart. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Instacart application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, you just need to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and your profile page will open up. Here, you will have a bunch of options to choose from. Simply tap on the Add Loyalty Card feature present under the Savings header and this type of interface will load up. Now, choose the platform of the loyalty card you would like to add. For us, it is going to be Costco. So just tap on it and you will be presented with an annual membership plan. You can just acquire a new membership and then add it to Instacart. But if you have a membership already, then just tap on the Link Membership button at the bottom and then enter your card details. Simply enter the card number and tap on the Confirm button to save the changes. So that's basically how you can add a Costco card to Instacart. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.